Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at another low cap called Index Cooperative or Index Coop. It has been actually sneaking up and going up. As you can see here, it's already up 19% today when the overall market is going down, and it has been performing quite well in the last 7 days. So I thought I should cover this coin. So as of now, it has a pretty low market cap of 22.3 million, and this coin actually launched back in 2020, as you can see here, and it did have a massive pump, as you can see, hitting as high as $60 in 2021 bull run, and again it went also up back in September 2021, again hitting as high as I believe 55 or something like that. And ever since then, it has been going down and it has yet to pump in this bull run. So this could be a pretty good opportunity to get into this coin. Of course, before buying this, you should actually watch this full video because there are some concern around this project that needs to be addressed at the end. So let's just see what is happening with this coin. So if you look here, it is actually down 3.4% yearly. So that's something that you should keep in mind, and it does have a limited listing. So it is only available on CoinX, Coinbase, as well as MEXC, and it's also available on Ethereum version 3. Unfortunately, it's not available on any other network. As you can see, we do have Polygon, but I don't think that it has that much of volume. And again, if you look here, the most of the volume is actually on Uniswap. So that means most of the trading is happening on Uniswap, and of course buying this on Uniswap would actually mean you will have to pay a lot of fees on Ethereum. So it is, if you're planning to buy this, it is better to stick with any centralized exchange. Anyways, let's get started. What is So first of all, as name suggests, it is index project. Basically, they have various indices. As you can see here, we have Index Coop, High Yield, ETH Index. So these are some featured index, as you can see here. So I think the most famous one is the DeFi Pulse, and they have three sector indices. As you can see here, we have DeFi Pulse, we have Metaverse, we have Bankless BED index, as you can see here. So the most of the market cap is of DeFi Pulse index, so that is something pretty interesting. So basically, they also have leverage and inverse indexes, as well as indices, as well as yield indices, as well as you can see here. They also have automated strategies again here. They also have some separate projects as well, so that's pretty good. As you can see here, they have Index Scoop large cap index, so this probably includes big assets such as Bitcoin and others. Again, they do have a lot of products, so that is where the demand for the platform comes from these. So that's pretty good. Looking at, we have Metaverse index, as you can see here. We have Render token, the Sandbox, and others. As you can see, all of them are in this basket, as you can see. So that's pretty good. Again, same concept here. Again, we have Bankless PED index. We also have DeFi Pulse index. So this most likely includes biggest DeFi coins. As you can see here, we have Aave, we have Uniswap, we also have Rocket Pool, and we have Compound and others. So that's pretty interesting. So basically, this has this is a pretty good, I think, project when it comes to their products, but the coin itself does have some problems. So basically, the coin itself, the index itself, the token itself, and this one is actually used for only governance. There is no utility beside that for this coin. And if you look here, the max supply of this coin, I believe, is 10 million, out of which we have around 6.7% in circulation, and the rest is actually investing. So most likely this DeFi Pulse is in I believe, so their allocated treasury is in the vesting, as you can see. So around 2 point something like that, or 3.3 million has yet to come out. Anyways, so one of the reasons why I think the index coin has basically struggled that much is most likely due to limited utility. Of course, the community can vote and decide what if they want to add another utility to this coin, but as of now that's it. So looking or going over their community, this is their governance forms. As you can see here, they do the team or the community seems to be pretty active. As you can see, they do have some active members, so that's something I think that is positive for this coin. Again, beside that, if you look at their snapshot, as you can see here, there is a bit of a problem. So as you can see, there are a lot of votes happening. As you can see, most of them are rejected, as you can see here, but the votes, number of votes are pretty low. As you can see, we only have one vote here. Again, this was actually passed. As you can see, only 12 votes. Again here 9 votes, so that means we don't have that many users actually participating on in governance. So that's not good for the index coin. So that is something that you should keep in mind. Again, they did have a pretty big blog, as you can see here, on what they want to focus in 2025, and that could be another thing that could be a pretty bullish for this coin, because they had a pretty good success in leverage products as well as product revenue tokens, high impact hires as well, but they also had some failures in leverage. I'm not going deep. And they also had some failures in integration and listing. So as you can see here, in 2024 their partnership team in part so by circle relationship made strides building a more robust pipeline CRM across fintech apps, but they were not actually able to do it. Again, looking forward to 2025, so they are basically expecting some of the opportunities to come through. So basically they are actually looking to integrate themselves with some kind of CeFi apps and wallets, so that will most likely be pretty good, I think, for the index protocol. So once the protocol grows, the demand for index should grow, because those protocols or whoever they are integrating with will most likely try to control index through governance. So that's, I think, going to be pretty bullish. Again, they do mention that as of January 2025, index is down 25% year to year, a clear miss for 2024. So they do acknowledge that the coin has not performed as it should have. So that's basically good. While microcap tokens often struggle to see their values creating efforts fully appreciated by the market, so they basically say that the community enthusiasm around index has gone down, so that's not good. Again, they will try to fix that in Q1 and Q2, so that's pretty good. They are going to focus on their leverage PMF, product market fit, and basically they will actually be growing, and they are going to launch some new marketing, so that's probably will focus more around index. So I think overall, if they are able to do it, it seems like that 2025 could be a good year for index coin. So that's something that you should keep in mind. Anyways, it is up to you if you want to buy it or not. I just wanted to actually give this full information that you should look at. So anyways, looking at their TVL, it has been doing pretty good. Again, it has not gone down, so I would say it's a pretty bullish sign, or at least it's a neutral sign, so that's pretty good. So looking at their activity, so let's just look at the biggest holder. So of course, this I believe is a multi-sig wallet. We are not going to look at it, so let's just try to open randomly 2 or 3 addresses and see what is happening with the bias. Okay, so this guy is holding anyways. Again, this guy did buy a lot of coins from the Coinbase around 7 days ago. As you can see, as 17,000, which is a pretty massive amount. Again, this address was buying, so they can take profit, but again they have bought a lot, as you can see here. So come itself, if we look at the index, this is its state. As you can see here, there is nothing clear in this chart, so let's just try to go on daily chart. So again, I don't see anything. So we do need to break out from this downtrend if you want to go higher, because okay, so this downtrend still seems to be strong. So I think we do need to break out from here most likely, or we do need to hit $4 or even higher if you want to go higher. Again, let's just try to see 4 hour chart and what is happening. So as of now, the coin itself seems like it is in the uptrend. As you can see here, we do have a pretty good uptrend here, but overall in the daily chart it is in the downtrend. So we do need to break this high, or you can say this downtrend line, if you want to go higher. So if it does break out from here, so let's just say that if we do break out from here, we do need to retest here, and after that we can go actually higher. So if we do break out from here, we will most likely head towards $5 or even 5.4. If the pump continues to go up, we will most likely hit $6. If it does even go up higher, we will most likely hit $8.64. So while coming to its market cap, let's see if there is a demand for this coin or not. So if you look here, the demand for this coin has gone significantly down. So it did actually peak around 34 million in December 2024. So there's a possibility it can go as high as 34 million, but expecting 500 million, or sorry 50 million could be a lot from this coin. So I think if you do want to hold this coin, I believe the max you can hold is 40 million, so probably around $7. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.